Good morning, friends. Today we are going to do the exercise work of lesson number 1, which we already learned. You know the story of lesson number 1? What we have learned in the previous lesson? Can you tell me? Yes, we learned about the brownie bear and Goldie cat. This lesson we have already completed. Today we are going to write the exercise. For that you need to remove the page number 10. Come on. Can you remove the page number 10? Okay, very good. Now I read the question and then we are going to write the answer. Question A. Complete the sentences with the words from the story. Here we need to write the filling the blanks. Blanks are given. We need to fill that blanks. The first, the dash made Brownie and Goldie sit together. Who made Brownie and Goldie to sit together? Miss Birdie, the class teacher. Brownie, number 2, Brownie liked Goldie's dash and dash hair. ब्राउनी को क्या पसंद था? सॉफ्ट एंड थिक हेयर. गोल्डी के सॉफ्ट एंड थिक हेयर उसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद थे. देन गोल्डीज आईज हैड अ डैश इन देम. व्हाट इज इन द गोल्डीज आई? ट्विंकल. गोल्डी कैट drank dash twice a day. What she drank every day? Milk. We also need to drink milk twice a day. Now, next you can see the question answers that we are not going to do right now. We will write in the fair book. Here you can see the vocabulary. Next picture. Page number 11. Here we are going to do the vocabulary. First is help Goldie cat write the names of the fruits and vegetables in the blanks. What are these fruits and vegetables called in your language? Discuss with your classmates. So here are some vegetables and fruits are given. We need to write that spelling. So first of all we are going to start from the carrot. What is it? Carrot. What is the spelling of carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Next is peas. P-E-A-S, peas. You can see the picture of peas. Then you can see the picture of apple. What is the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Next you can see the spelling of lady's finger. What is the spelling of lady's finger? L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Lady's finger. Then you can see the picture of watermelon. What is the spelling of watermelon? W-A-T-E-R, water. M-E-L-O-N, melon. Watermelon. Next, here you can see the picture of spinach. What is the spelling of spinach? S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Then here is the banana. What is the spelling of banana? B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Then here is the spelling of cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Okay kids, have you finished? Okay, now move to the next page. This is the question B. Read the paragraph. Which of these people or things do you find in your classroom or school? Write in the blanks. Here we need to write the names of the people or things which we find in our classroom or in a school. Mimi is a polite girl. We are not going to write the special name. We are just write the common name. So girl is the common name. So girl comes in a people. So we have written over here girl. Now we move to the next sentence. She always greets her teachers. Teachers is the common name. names of people. It is already given in your textbook, teachers. Okay, now move to the next sentence. Her teachers love her. Mimi writes neatly in her notebook. Notebook is a thing or people? Thing. Very good. So we need to write the notebook over here. Write the spelling of notebook. N-O-T-E, note, B-O-O-K, book. Next. She is also careful. She keeps her bag. Bag is a thing. So again we are going to write bag over here. B-A-G, bag. And water bottle. Spelling of water bottle is W-A-T-E-R-B-O-T-T-L-E, water bottle. Again it's a thing. So again we are going to write water bottle over here. Then water bottle in the cupboard. Cupboard is a thing. So again we are going to write the spelling of cupboard over here. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Then we move to the next sentence. She enjoys playing with her friends. Friends are people or thing? People. So what we are going to write? Friends in a people. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Next. During a lunch, Mimi shares her tiffin with others. So tiffin is the thing. So we will write the tiffin at last. What is the spelling? T-I-F-F-I-N. Tiffin. Okay. Now you can see the grammar part. That grammar part we are going to do with the grammar. Okay. When your English 1 period is there, that time we are going to do. Okay. So we move to the next page. This is also grammar part. Here you can see the spelling. What we need to do, read these pairs of words, note the spellings. So the meaning of the word are different, but the pronunciation is same. This is called homophones. Okay, so we learn this word at, 8, blue, blue, hair, hair. Now write the words that have the same sounds in the words shown in the picture. One has been done for you. So here you can see the picture of sun. The spelling of sun is S-U-N, sun. And here you can see the spelling of sun, S-O-N, sun. Sun means beta. अगर पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं और वो लड़का है तो he is my son, S-O-N, son. Now we move to the number next. 2. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. This is also 2, T-O-O, 2. ये भी हमको भी करना है तो हम पीछे 2 लगाएंगे, T-O-O. Third, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. You can see the animal. This is deer. Now next, D-E-A-R. You need to write the spelling D-E-A-R, deer. अगर हम किसी को प्यार से बुला रहे हैं तो हम डियर बोलेंगे. डियर मैम, डियर पापा, डियर मम्मा. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट, आई, E-Y-E-I. और हम अपने आप को भी आई ही बोलते हैं. सो आई. नेक्स्ट, राइट मीन्स लिखना. W-R-I-T-E, write. And then the homophones of it, right, R-I-G-H-T, right means sahi. Okay. And you can see the next page, pronunciation. This we are not going to do right now. Okay kids. So this explanation we have completed. After that we have done the exercise. Hope you are understand all these things. If you are having any query you can ask me. Bye-bye.